Alright, we're continuing on this recording with 3926 Barrett. We're sitting there at the corner where the last recording left off. It's about 70 feet back from the 4x6. It's about 4 feet deep. I've located it. And we're coming back around the turn now. I believe there is there's a floor drain or a kind of a patio drain in the back there. That's tied in right here. A couple feet back off of that turn. The next landmark we ought to see should be another downspout connection on the back of the house. And we'll go out and test that one as well. Well, here's a section of, this is a two-way clean out of PVC. Saw that out there. Oh, and there's a connection there. We're going to go locate this spot, see if it's that downspout I was talking about. Okay, that is a functioning downspout in the back of the house. We're going to keep coming back about 3 feet deep right off of those cleanouts. Next should be a connection point for possibly laundry or kitchen right here. I'm going to go test this. Actually looks like it's flowing right now. I'm going to pause it and locate it. Continuing on the recording, it's about 105 feet back from that 4x6. There's the connection's about 3 feet deep. That is definitely the laundry, possibly also the kitchen as well. The next landmark should be another connection point for a floor drain tie-in. There she is. I'm going to go locate this spot, pausing and locating. Continuing on the recording, that downspout, we're about 116 feet back now from that 4x6, and that is a floor drain that does not appear to be functioning very well, if at all. So we'll keep coming back here. We should come around a turn shortly. And there's the last turn of this line. Sharp 90-degree turn. We're actually going to pause and locate this spot as well. Okay, I've got that located about 3 feet deep right in the middle of a bush out in the back. We're going to come around this corner. I'm going to try to finish this video up in the last minute or so. We should see one more branch arm connection. This pipe's in really lousy shape too along this back side. Branch arm connection for a downspout. Broken up pipe there. And back into cast iron. I'm going to end the video there and do my final locates.